In this video, I'm going to explain you how to play Rainbow Six Siege on MacBook. So as you can see, Rainbow Six Siege is available on Windows and consoles, but if you want to play it on your Mac, you're gonna have to use Nvidia GeForce Now. So basically this will let you play the game on high settings without worrying about your computer performance. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply buy one of these plans. So as you can see, you have a free one which allows you to play 1 hour, but you're gonna get the longest queue time. But if you upgrade to the ultimate plan, you're gonna basically play for 8 hours straight, and you also can play at the highest settings possible. So you're gonna have to buy this, and then you'll be able to use the Steam account to add the game to GeForce Now and start playing it on your MacBook. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.